The next way that we're going to look at is the templates. So templates inside of SAM are a little bit different than how you might have thought about templates in your traditional legacy CRMs, because in those, you are building out specific templates that are specifically for emails or specific templates that are specific for SMS messages. But if you remember back to our contact database, when I built out that message, that I actually set the preferences to, I want it to be SMS versus email or call, or I want it to be email versus SMS. And so because we have preferences, we can actually use those preferences inside our templates to build out that world-class client experience. And this is going to be one of those areas that I think you're going to really enjoy inside SAM. So on the top right-hand side, I'm going to click New Template, and I can select which area of the databases it's going to be working through. It's going to go for the contacts, for the properties, listings, transactions, or the projects, which we'll dive into later. And from here, it's just your standard message you could write and send, but I'm actually going to let Sam build this again. So in this message, it's going to ask me, what's the overall goal of this message? And maybe this is send a new lead, a welcome message with a call to action for a call to connect. Pretty simple, but in plain English, that is what we're hoping to do. We're sending a new lead a message, welcoming them. We want them to do that. Now from here, Sam is going to generate this message for us. I call these messages because maybe you figured out it's going to do some really cool things. So let's look at this message and then we'll figure out what it actually has. So contact greeting, contact first name, those are merge fields. Those are pretty standard. Now it's worth noting, this is my own little soapbox, legacy CRMs use merge fields and then they high-five themselves and say, I made it personal. That is not personal. Personal is what we did with our contact a little bit ago, using those personal details to personalize that message specifically to them. And it was still in my writing style, if you notice that. That is a personal message. Using a merge field is low-hanging fruit. It's not even entering the conversation because adding someone's name to an email does not make it personal to them. I guarantee they can tell. So just because we are using merge fields doesn't mean that that's where we get to stop. We're actually using the entirety of the message to personalize this. Welcome at Workflow Secrets. We understand our mission, and then schedule a call. This looks pretty great. So this is what the email template would be. But like I said, maybe they have a preference for SMS. Well, I can actually let Sam do that on the fly, or I can click this SMS tab and Sam is going to say, hey, I don't have an SMS. Do you want me to just create that really quickly? I'm going to click yes. Sam is going to translate that to an SMS message and boom, just like that. Now, Sam does something that helps make this a native experience. And what I mean by that is it's taking that entire email and it's shrinking it down to an SMS format. It's 160 characters. And the reason for this, I don't know about you, but I have received emails in the past that were actually on an SMS. It doesn't feel right. It feels weird. It's wrong. And so that is not a great experience. So Sam is able to translate these messages to help accomplish that. And then we can actually move forward with it. And Sam's sending either that templated email or that templated SMS message.